I'm Harry. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Treeconomy. Treeconomy is a nature restoration and carbon removal business. Carbon offsetting has been around for a while. It's been plagued historically by bad actors and sort of the cowboy operators within the market. A lot of that is now washed out. There's been some very large publicity over the last 2 or 3 years around bad practice, and Treeconomy's business is all focused on high quality. So how do we actually source, create, and enable very high quality ecosystem restoration projects, and then build the technology so we can actually prove and evidence the carbon removal within those programs. The technology for Treeconomy is at the center of our business. That's what we really focus on, and that's what we build. We are unique in that we combine multiple different data sets together. So we use the really high resolution drone 3D LiDAR technology that we're known for. These are laser beams that are fired at forest ecosystems to allow us to create a 3D model of each forest. So we can literally see every individual tree. We can see down to different branches, the trunks, and that allows us to have a really high fidelity, high accuracy view of the size and shape of a forest. We then combine that with the spatial size that satellite data gives us, and we combine these two things together. So we can have really accurate data and then create models that means we can extrapolate and work on very, very large scale, sort of nature infrastructure sized projects. Our program is more accurate, it's more tailored to each individual project, and that means that our go-to-market, the way that we sell, is also very different. So we don't just sell technology, we also sell carbon removal credits to buyers, and it means that we actively make a premium market for carbon removal, which is then enabling of the technology that we're building. The market size is now about $4 to $5 billion purchased just in 2025, being driven today and over the next 2-3 years by these big AI hyperscaler companies. These big purchases are really driving that market. The next evolution of this, and we're starting to see this now, is the entry of sovereign buyers. So individual countries now purchasing carbon removal to help them to hit their nationally determined contributions. The important thing, we think, is the technology that we're building to bring trust and rigor to the actual carbon removal volumes. If we do this well, it's highly, highly impactful. We have to remove gigatons, billions of tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Someone, somewhere, will have to pay for that. And the carbon market is the best mechanism we have to actually fund and finance it. Low quality carbon offsetting is poor, and that should be removed. But high quality carbon removal procurement is absolutely required in order to hit the IPCC targets and the 1.5 or 2 degrees C limit for warming. So what's really unique about the greenhouse at Undaunted is the depth and breadth of the expertise. There's a real cluster of genuine climate experts that we can be connected to. But at the same time, it's really important for it to not be a purely academic support program. It has to be explicitly commercial, and we had a huge amount of help through that process. And I think figuring out how to commercialize within the climate space is a real level of expertise that the greenhouse at Undaunted was able to offer to us. Imperial is a world-recognized center of research. You've got the Grantham Institute from a climate-specific perspective. The ability to connect into that network is genuinely unique and massively, massively powerful. And again, I think that's a very important consideration for a climate startup and climate founder. We have to find integrity and credibility in what we're doing. For us based in London, working with Undaunted, it means that we continue to be plugged in directly to the ecosystem. London and the UK is a real hub for climate innovation, and being able to find the best way into that is really important for us, and Undaunted supports us in doing that and continues to do so today, a year or two after our formal inclusion in the program. In terms of what we've got coming up next for Treeconomy, and we have some really exciting new technology that we're now building. We have a couple of very, very big multi-million ton purchase contracts that we're starting to work on, and this is when we can really start to say we are putting serious money to work into nature restoration projects through carbon removal. The size and the scale of what we're actually able to do now is really, really exciting. We can finally work on massive 100,000 plus hectare, sort of 1,000 kilometer squared projects, and be able to really talk about removing millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of tons of CO2 from the atmosphere. In the face of climate change, we are undaunted. Join us.